Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I am back with yet another wig install, and as you guys can see, this is thebomb.com. Look at how this lace just melted into my scalp. I was so amazed. So let's get into the specs of the wig. This unit is from Afsisterwig. It's the Eva unit. It's pre-plugged. It's straight, sleek straight. It's 24 inches long, the longest that I've gone in a long time, and it's 255% density, which is what I like to go for when I'm doing a sleek straight look. Didn't go for sleek straight in this video, however, my next style, I'll definitely do it really nice and sleek. It'll be nice and full, just the way I like it. So on to installing the wig. What you guys see me doing here is just cutting the ear tabs, which I didn't have to cut as much because from ear to ear it fit perfect. And I'm just gonna go into installing the unit. Now, I didn't have to plug this unit because it did come pre-plucked. The only time that I plucked a little bit more was when I was creating my baby hairs, which you guys will see later on. So as you guys can see, the same old as I've shown in my previous videos. I use Ghost Bond glue and I apply 3 coats and lay the wig onto my hairline. This unit was absolutely easy to install. It took no time at all. The only thing I had to do was basically make sure that every area was glued down, because I do like to lay my wig in sections just to make sure that it's laid down correctly and that it lasts, you know, the entire week that I have the wig on. So I am going to continue on with installing the unit. You guys will see me add some curls in the end. I just wanted some nice little waves. I didn't want any, you know, firm curls for this unit, and I added a little bit of layers around the top area just so that when I curled it, it flowed nicely. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's very straightforward, straight to the point, similar to all of my other videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. you.